What's up, Tech fam? JP here from Dynamic AI Tech. Today's video is packed with 4 big things. Number 1, a jaw-dropping AI breakthrough. Number 2, my favorite AI tools, both paid and free. Number 3, a free digital gift for everyone watching. And number 4, a $25 giveaway challenge, but you only get one shot. So let's get into it. So number 1, AI can read your mind. This one sounds fake, but it's 100% real. Scientists in Japan created an AI system that can recreate what you're seeing just from your brain activity. They use a brain scanner called an fMRI, which tracks how blood moves in your brain when you're looking at an image. Then they feed that data into an AI, and boom, it generates a picture of what you are seeing. It's like Stable Diffusion meets telepathy. It's not perfect, but it's way closer than you think. The future of mind to image is here. Number 2, my favorite AI tools. So my favorite paid tool is Galaxy AI. This is my go-to for serious content creation. It doesn't just generate text, it generates images, videos, and voiceovers all from one dashboard. If you're building content or automation workflows, Galaxy AI is a powerhouse. So what is my favorite free tool? It's Veed.io. Hands down, the best free video editor that I use. It gives you automatic captions, AI voice cleanup, and easy editing for reels, shorts, and professional content without the learning curve. So these tools power my workflow every single day. So do you have a favorite AI tool? Drop them in the comments and I might feature yours in my next video. All right, number 3, I'm gifting you my digital wealth blueprint. You'll get the audiobook and ebook absolutely free. All you have to do is comment this exact phrase, "That sounds great," and I'll send you the download link directly in a DM. It's an easy win, you guys. All right, number 4, the moment you've been waiting for, my $25 birthday giveaway challenge. I'm giving away $25 to the first person who can guess the day of my birthday. Just the number from 1 to 31. Only one guess per person, and there are no edits allowed. Drop your guess in the comments below, and let's see who gets it right. So listen, if you want more AI breakthroughs, smart tools, and free drops, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss the next one. This is JP signing out. Keep creating, keep winning, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.